Check the alignment here. Looks good, the perforations match.
Watch the temperature on the far side.
Got it, looks stable for now.
Right here, see the ripple in the curve. Mark that down.
Got it. Section 3, visual defect. This curvature looks correct. Yes, the alignment on the holes is perfect too.
Check the torque on cylinder 7. Keep the line moving smoothly.
The camshaft components need to be meticulously placed. We're looking for that perfect fit before moving on to the final assembly.
Just a few more inches. Clear on the left. All right, the gold assembly is secured.
Make sure the wiring harness is clear before we bolt down the seat. This diagram shows the connection point for the main hydraulic line.
But the pressure valve connects here, according to the update.
We install the lifters and rocker arms, ensuring the tolerances are precise. The camshaft is then gently
Easy now, bring it down slow.
A little to the left on my side.
Looks good, keep coming down.
The craftsmanship on this model is simply unmatched. It truly is a beauty, sir. The burgundy interior is pristine. This Saginaw convertible truly represents the pinnacle of American luxury. A marvelous machine.
And watch this. With the flick of a switch, the Biarritz top folds away smoothly.
That is marvelous engineering.
And this beauty is completely original, right down to the quilted leather.
Remarkable craftsmanship. Is the mileage accurate?
Yes, sir, fully certified.
Selling it right here at 50,000. Do I hear 66,000 bid? Thank you. 65 now.
The stitching seems original here.
Yes, noted. The chassis number matches.
The attention to detail on the gold plating is exquisite. And of course, the 355 cubic inch engine provides incredible power.
'57 Bel Air was revolutionary. They've replicated the assembly line here perfectly.
60,000. Do I hear 7?
70,000.
Going once, going twice. Sold.